What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Ethereum here, and as you can see, it's quite clear that we are still in a massive uptrend here. This is obviously the bull market from what we can tell. Everyone's saying that the bull market pretty much started, in November, December time with Bitcoin breaking its all-time high. But we do think it was more likely that we did start the bull market somewhere down here when we had the big March correction. I mean, congratulations to anyone who bought Ethereum for $80. I would gladly take Ethereum off your hands at $80 with a massive amount of money, because that is an incredible entry point. You'd still be up at around, 2,000, well over 2,000% in a year and a half's work. So congratulations to you. That is a ridiculously cheap Ethereum that you're looking at there. And I mean, as you can see, we're having a decent correction right now, but it's pretty obvious that we're still in an uptrend, aren't we? A lot of people are so bearish right now. Basically, everyone's saying that, cryptos are going to zero. Cryptocurrencies are a scam. There's a lot of, nasty people out there. A lot of people are basically lashing out at others, trying to blame other people for their choices and their mistakes, basically. A lot of negativity in the market as well. A lot of people have tethered up. They've got a lot of stable coins on the sidelines right now. I think there's over $100 billion worth of stable coins currently. So it's pretty clear there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines to figure out what's going to happen. Obviously, quite a few people think that the price is going to go lower. And usually when this is the case and a lot of people have the same ideas, the market usually does the opposite. And there's quite a lot of confluence to this fact. As you can see, we are basically trading upwards inside of this channel here. And we have been, we do get a decent bounce every single time that we do hit the bottom of this channel. If I need to just adjust this line actually, because it's not quite right. There we go. And this top one as well, it's a bit wonky. There we go. So as you can see, this channel we have been trading upwards inside of. Every time that we do come to the bottom of this channel, we're usually getting pretty oversold. Obviously, we weren't very oversold here, but as you can see, for most cryptocurrencies, when you do get to the bottom of this channel that most cryptos are trading in, ever since the March crash, they are getting quite oversold when they hit the bottom. And when that's the case, they usually do start to see that pickup. And that's exactly what we're seeing here, because we're in a bull market, aren't we? So we're making higher lows and higher highs all the time. Let me just get rid of that circle. So we're just making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And now we're just coming back down, and we're just, we're just chilling. We're making another low. We're just retesting support before we see that next run up to the upside from what we can tell. So many people screaming for a bear market right now. Everyone's really scared, and there's just quite a lot of fear in the market in general, as we said. So usually when this happens, this is one of the best times to buy from what we can tell. And pretty much, not financial advice, of course, but pretty much every single time that you'd buy the dip on Ethereum over a longer period here, you would have most likely been rewarded. As you can quite clearly see, pretty much any of these dips, you would still be in big profits here if you'd basically bought any of these dips over the past, 2 or 3 years. So if you take that longer term perspective and don't get so caught up in the day-to-day of the market, you will realize that there is a massive amount of money to be made in this space. And as you can see, if we just zoom out of this whole chart of Ethereum, ever since its inception in 2015 here, look at this, Ethereum for 50 cents, Ethereum for 40 cents. That is an absolutely unbelievable opportunity. Is that 1,000,000%? It's basically more than 1,000,000%. So you can see quite clearly that there is a huge amount of potential here. And, you know, we're not saying that this is definitely going to happen, but you can quite clearly see that most likely Ethereum in the long term is probably going to do very, very well. There's a lot of people saying that, you know, in the next 10 years, Ethereum could easily be over $50,000, maybe even $100,000, depending on what it's offering by that point and how much of a part that it plays. And I mean, considering how established it is now, it seems very likely, in our opinion, that it's probably going to be around for the long term. It seems very, very established with its ecosystem. It's got, you know, hundreds of billions of dollars of market cap, and it'll probably have trillions of dollars in the next few years once people really start to flow into Ethereum, especially institutional investors. So obviously everyone is so caught up in the short term right now, aren't they? But you have to look at the longer term to get a real idea of what's going on. And as you can see, I mean, we're having a bit of a correction, aren't we? We've had this big run up. We had big correction. Okay, big correction, big run up, consolidation period, big run up, consolidation period, big run up. We're having another consolidation period, and we're probably going to have another big run up, aren't we? Basically going into this last leg of the bull market from what we can tell. Because Bitcoin hasn't even had a blow off top yet. It just kind of trickled and fizzled and rolled over. And now it's finding support. It's currently just jamming in and around that 31, 32, 33K level, isn't it, still? Everything's very boring and sideways at the minute, so it's pretty obvious that the market is pretty heavily manipulated right now, and we haven't seen that blow off top for Bitcoin that we need to be seeing for the bull market to really, you know, go, okay, we need a big, you know, multi-year bear market now to cool off, because this is getting crazy. So a quick look at the weekly chart here will probably tell you everything that you need to know about whether or not we're in a bear market. You can see quite clearly that we're in and around this 20 moving average still, and we haven't even broke the 55 yet. So as you can see, we could easily bounce in between these for a while and start to get that pickup. Obviously, if we do break outside of this channel, which we are getting quite close to now, we will have to potentially reassess what we're looking at. But I mean, if you look at where we are, basically, things are looking very, very good in our opinion for Ethereum. As we said, in order for us to be in a bear market, we would need to see Ethereum losing the 55 moving average here and start rolling over. And obviously getting that death cross of the 20 and the 55 on the weekly time frame would spell a bear market, or at least the precursor to a bear market in our opinion. Take a quick look at the previous cycle here to show you what we mean. As you can see, massive uptrend, holding the 20 as support, came all the way down here, lost both of the moving averages, came back up but lost them both again, and then for weeks here stuck under the 55. And then obviously once you got that cross, bear market confirmed, we came all the way down from around, at that time we were at around $500. We came all the way down to $80, which is absolutely insane. I mean, what an opportunity there for Ethereum. So you can see quite clearly that Ethereum in the previous bull market, you know, this is what you're looking for the bear market, this cross of the weekly, on the weekly time frame of the 20 and the 55, which we haven't seen at all yet, have we? We haven't even seen, you know, the massive blow off top that we do see for most cryptos as of yet. So in our opinion, until we start seeing, you know, Ethereum coming down below the 55 here and starting to roll over, we'd have to be coming down into the 14 and 1300s here for Ethereum, which we just don't see happening considering the demand and the fact that we're still inside this channel and all the other evidence of the bear market, the evidence that the bull market will continue is all there. We're not seeing any evidence whatsoever of us coming all the way down, losing the 55, and then eventually getting this bearish cross of our EMAs like this for the bear market. So we have to just keep looking at the long term. Obviously, things can get boring in the crypto space sometimes. We're not always going up thousands of percent in the week's time. And as you can see, I mean, we're still broken out of this key resistance here that we've been under. We've back tested it. We've back tested it as support. We started to pick up. Now we're rolling over again. We're back testing levels again here. But I mean, in the short term, yeah, it's very difficult to know what's going to happen. But we do think in the long term, Ethereum's going to do really well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.